Welcome to the game of Snowboard Cross. In this game, 4 athletes race for the fastest time to the finish line while performing tricks and jumps. Alright? Running into the snow banks along the course's edges along the way will reduce your speed, so try to outspace your rivals for the best time. Alright? Now here are the controls. For the Snowboard Cross event, hold the Wii remote vertically and tilt it left and right to play. And remember, at the start of the game, shake the Wii remote down, 3, 2, 1, and go for a starting dash like this. Alright? And by the way, you might notice that in ski cross, I have a nunchuck, right? But since I'm in snowboard, since it's only, one thing, one hand, therefore I use just the Wii remote only. You can also use the nunchuck for that matter, but I'm only using this though. And then tilt, it's just like what you do at ski cross, tilt to turn. And then, sometimes, when you tilt the Wii remote forward to gain speed, turning is still possible, but it becomes more difficult. So therefore, you can take the break by doing this. Sometimes I do that, but not really, but sometimes occasionally. And then after slowing down, you can still shake the Wii remote to perform a nollie to build up speed again. Just like when you're doing the real skateboard, right? If in case you slow down, you can still build up speed like this. And jumping, the closer you are to the edge, the farther you jump. So time it well for the great distance. Furthermore, you can still execute tricks while you're still on midair. Just like what you do in halfpipe, alright? And these are the tips or tricks. Jump at the last moment when going over a jump to get the maximum air time. And the more tricks that you pull off, the greater the speed boost that you receive once you land. And trying to pull up tricks up until the moment you touch down again can lead you to crash landings. So that's what we typically want to avoid. So make sure that before you touch the ground, stop executing a bunch of tricks before you land. So keep an airtime mind when doing the tricks. Alright? And crouching as you crest through short hills will get you a quick dash. You'll see what I mean later. And for your special action, you know the rest. Now let's get to the game. See you in a bit. Oh, forgot to mention, before you start your game, every time you play Snowboard Cross, it will ask you regular or goofy. That is what I don't even know unless someone were to explain. If you know what that function means, please leave a comment there leave it on the comments. Please answer my question. What's the difference between regular and goofy? You can switch. I don't even know what it means, but let's see what it does. Unless you know, please comment. Okay? Let's go to the game. And we're still at Cypress Mountain, just like what you do at ski cross. So yeah. Okay, here are the players. Let's do this. Let's go. You know what to do.
3, 2, 1.
Move it. And remember, here we are, jump. Then execute your tricks. Just like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Because I keep on crouching, it makes it hard for me to turn. So therefore, when you're turning, oh no. Why is Brother Aaron chewing here? So therefore, while you're turning, make sure you simply, slow down a bit. Yeah, at least you gain some speed through the short hills or bumps. Okay, here it comes. Stop. Just make sure that before you land, stop doing tricks so that you don't execute a crash landing. Here comes a big one. We're almost done. Just focus, shall we? Alright. Uh-oh. Done. That's it. That's how you play. And I'm the first. Great game. And that's it.